Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G, killer space, fastest wireless charging in just $520. Believe me guys, this is the amazing smartphone in this price line, and you also get a 5G version in $520, which is seriously amazing. So Xiaomi has announced the Mi 9 Pro 5G, a new variant of its generally very good Mi 9 with the faster chip connectivity and charging. It's based around a Snapdragon 855 plus processor with 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, has what sounds like the same 6.4-inch 1080p OLED display, but now with a professional collaboration and of course a 5G modem. The Xiaomi says offer fully coverage for China 3 major carrier. Resolution of 1080p by 2340 pixels at a pixel density of 403 pixels per inch and an aspect ratio of 19 by 5 by 9. Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G that feature 1 cores clocked at 2.96 GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.42 GHz and 4 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. In addition, the phone has a revised cooling module that will have a 5 graphite layers which will be capable of reducing CPU temperature by up to 10 centigrade. It runs on Android 10 based company proprietary MIUI OS. The camera system is seemingly unchanged from the Mi 9, a 48 megapixel main sensor with an f1.75 aperture and a pixel size of 0.8 micron, a 16 megapixel ultra wide with an f2.2 aperture and pixel size of 1.0 micron. The 12 megapixel third camera is a telephoto lens with f2.2 aperture and a pixel size 1.0 micron. Xiaomi is touting the Mi 9 Pro stronger liner motor powered haptic feedback effect, which is always nice to hear. The Mi 9 was already above average in the regard but did leave clear room for improvement, so we'll have to see for ourselves. Front facing is a 20 megapixel selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture and a pixel size of 0.9 micron. This time Xiaomi coming with a great charger specification. Xiaomi is one of the only Chinese phone maker that support wireless charging at all, and the Mi 9 Pro 5G should be the leader in that area. It can be wirelessly charged at 30 watt on a dedicated stand, filling its 4000 mAh battery in just 69 minutes. Wired charging is up to 40 watt and should give you a full charge after 48 minutes. The Mi 9 Pro 5G also has 10 watt reverse wireless QI charging, and the Mi 9 Pro 5G has a fingerprint scanner, and the Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G support face unlock as well. Talking about the price, the Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G will be available in 4 different price tags and all in 5G service. The first one is in cost $520, which is give you 8 gigabytes RAM and 128 gigabytes storage. The second one is cost $535. It's give you 8 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. If you want more RAM and storage, you pay $575 for 12 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes storage. The last variant is the 12 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage, which costs $605. So the key specs: the Mi 9 Pro 5G is 6.39-inch AMOLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 plus processor, 48 megapixel 12 megapixel telephoto and 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with 4000 mAh battery, 45 watt charging, 30 watt wireless charging, haptic motor for improved vibration, start at 8 GB RAM up to 12 gigabytes RAM and start 128 gigabyte storage space to 512 gigabytes storage. MIUI 11 operating system. This is based on Android. The color is only available to titanium black and dream white color option. So this is it for now. Let me know how much you like this cheap 5G smartphone, the Mi 9 Pro 5G, and thumbs up on the video. If you want more teach videos, subscribe the channel. I see you in the next video. Peace out.